All right, so we're back at the shop, getting things like opened up so we can actually start doing some stuff. Have the Crown Vic wheels in the back. We're gonna go ahead and take these things out, clean them up a little bit, and I got some lug nuts so we can go ahead and actually put them on the front end and the very back. You can kind of see it back there. I actually realized after I power washed it, I never even took a video of it cleaned. So once we open everything up, I'll walk over there and show you guys. It actually cleaned up super, super nice after power washing it. And I got some fine grinding to do. I will grind all this smooth on both sides. I kind of started it here, but I never finished, ran out of time. And I think later I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up and actually just practice some welding passes and see, because I haven't welded in a long time, so I want to make sure I'm doing a pretty good job, you know. And this is just scrap metal as of right now, so yeah. But let's get started. Don't go down the hill. Look at them treads. These are some nice burners, right? They're perfect. Alright, it's looking more like a truck. Even though it'll actually sit like that high off the ground, maybe? Somewhere around there. I don't know. But we're gonna get this stuff cleaned up. Dusty should be here soon so we can actually open it up. I have no idea how to get the back door open, so he'll show me. And then we'll start getting this stuff cleaned up. I'm gonna probably just clean these wheels real quick, get all the spider webs and dirt off them, and then bolt them on the front end. I have some lug nuts I found, so we can go and use those and put them on. Hopefully, at least slide it over. You guys were saying that, I believe it was this hole, yeah, this is the one that's centered. You can see this is the one that's in the center. People were saying that you just drill this hole larger. Could be true, I don't know yet. You guys can let me know your thoughts down below on that, on where you guys have centered it. If you have done the swap before, I'd love input. I want to make sure the wheel is perfectly centered in the fender, so I believe I'm going to bring a core support up and actually mock a core support up and a fender, so I can actually literally see where it's going to sit. But I'm just going to probably today get the front end slid over the frame. I probably won't drill the hole for the dowel pin yet, just because I want to be 110%. Like, even if all the measurements are fine, I still want to at least hang a fender so I know, so I can see it. I'm sure you guys can understand that. But any thoughts on that? You guys can let me know down below. You guys have been super, super helpful in the project, so I'd love to hear you guys' feedback on where you guys would drill the centering hole. I've seen a lot of people, I think, barely increments behind it or in front of this hole, so I don't know. Love feedback. You guys can leave it down below. I'll check it out.
Kind of cool.
I know, that looks, wait, yours looks narrow. Oh man, that's not good. That means I can't run very wide freaking wheels up front. Uh-oh. Wow, it looks pretty good though.
A little wider wheels.
Yeah. I mean, I've seen people like with the Mustang too, and they go in about the diameter of the frame, they'll cut in, and then they'll run the frame rail and come back out again, and then their stuff's way narrower.
You can run it with wide, like.
Yeah, that's true. These have a weird offset as well.
It's just weird. Does that one look closer than this one?
No, you're right. I mean, there's a gap right here. Honestly, I could probably take the jack out from under it and jack the rear end up and see where the rear end would, where the right head of the frame would be. I'll just put two of them there and just set the frame down. Yeah, you're right. Does it fit? Oh, perfect. Look at that. Official US measurement. Two little lawnmower. Yeah. So then these things will come up here and rotate a little bit, and then we'll have to make a plate that'll weld to this. So I'll have some sort of fancy plate that'll go there. Yay, it's kind of not really in, but that makes me feel a lot better. This makes me feel proud of my accomplishment, kind of, even though we're not even close, dude. There's so much work, but like, at least it looks like a front end now.
That's true.
Yep.
What makes it look like we've accomplished more?
Yeah, look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's a VIN stamped in this thing 4 times. Looks like they effed up like 4 times, and then they finally kind of got it at the end. But nice. Same VIN code as my truck too, which are very, very close. So that's nice. So I don't even know what I'll end up doing next time. I got to do a ton of research and look up stuff for what to do next. We can see there's a dowel pin sitting in that hole. But for twin I-beam, they have opposite rivets. So I'm going to punch these rivets out next, and then figure out where I'll put the dowel pins in. I'm concerned about this gap. So if anyone knows what's going on there, let me know. And then probably knock the rivets off the back leaf spring purchase, and then probably slide the rear end under it just because that'll make me feel better. So, but yeah, much stuff to do. Alright guys, what's going on? So I realized that video was kind of uneventful. I didn't realize how much I literally didn't do. I just wanted to get the Crown Vic mocked up. There wasn't that much stuff I really had to do that day. I just wanted to get the front end mocked up, like at least sitting on there because I got the rollers and whatnot. I at least wanted to see what it looked like, you know. So, but if anyone has any feedback on those gaps, because there is about a 2-inch gap, if that, on each side on the C channel. So I was kind of like wondering what's going on there. I think I have to buy a top plate to be able to weld on the top. I got to do a lot of research on what I'm doing next. But regardless, as you can see behind me, I got my truck behind me. This is kind of what's taking my time up right now. I'll give you kind of a sneak peek of what you guys can look forward to in the next video, on which I am continuing to film today. And I'll kind of give you an update on why the second part of the transmission series video hasn't come out yet. This came out first. So here's a little sneak peek. Here's that. That's the old clutch. You guys will see that in a second. The motor is kind of being held up. And I'll give you a sneak peek of the interior. Okay, we will not go back there. Old transmission. Oh, there's some floor pans. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff that will be going on. So, but regardless, I did kind of want to just make a little update and kind of like tell you what's going on. So yeah, this is going on. And I've got an array of old parts. I'm gonna even have my headers off because we had clearancing issues. There was a lot of stuff that was going on. And you can kind of see I've got a flywheel and the little spacer plate. That's about it. Nothing really much. And then we've got a ton of work to be had in the cab. But regardless, thought I'd update you guys. So this is kind of what's going on today. This is kind of what I'm filming. So I'm currently filming this outro because I never filmed one. I'm filming it right now the day it goes up. I'm about to go inside, edit it, upload it for you guys. So if you guys are part of the notification squad, that's awesome. YouTube has completely, me and a couple other YouTubers were talking about it, they have completely screwed the entire subscription suggested feature, whatever box, like where you see the videos is completely jacked up now. I mean, everything is literally flipped 180 degrees from where it was before. Now the way you see videos is completely different. It's all features instead of like your subscriptions. I'm literally 40% of my subscribers are seeing the videos. That's bad. That's less than 10,000 people and I have 27,000 subscribers, so it's kind of ridiculous. But regardless, if you could hit the notification bell, that would be amazing. It'll probably help you out if you aren't even seeing my videos anymore. That will kind of help out. It'll give you a notification when my videos come out. That would be awesome if you guys can do that. Really supports the channel, helps me out. My watch time is extremely low right now, so if you guys can watch the videos, tell your friends, share the video, like the video, all that good stuff. Let me know, comment down below. It really mean a lot to me. So I'll see you guys in the next video with this truck. Thanks so much for watching.